Hey guys, it's the JK channel, and today we're going to be reviewing all my slimes, part 1. So yeah, here's the first one. It's blue, very pretty. Okay. And it's very, very cool. Wait, what is that? Why is this in my slime? It's a no. Let's try to open it. It says hide yourself. Go to the place where you can get wet. Wait, why is there glue in my slime? Where it can get wet? How does this even person know my name? I can get wet. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to leave you behind, slime. Put this back. We have to figure out what's happening here, so let's go. I'll go get bundled up. Okay, guys, I got bundled out here. It's raining. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my pocket. Okay, so I put it in my pocket. It's outside, but I'm gonna guess the pool. I bet you. Okay, let's go. I can't get outside. Hold on, technical difficulties. Okay. We'll come right back. Okay guys, we're gonna try that out again. My umbrella broke. Okay, so I have the note in my hand. I have the note in my hand from last time right here. So, oh geez. Again, I cannot find where it is. I don't think it's in the pool. Let's see. Let's check. Yes, what's that? Oh geez. Okay, let's read inside. Okay guys, oh, I did not see that water bottle. Okay, so I just found this in the pool. I don't know why it was in there, but let's see. Maybe this looks cool. I am hungry. Let's go. Hint. Breakfast? Maybe it's in the Reese's Puffs. Oh, come on, guys, let's get to it. Hey, guys. Here it is. Oh, where is it? Ah, can't find the camera. Here it is. You guys see anything? Oh, I see a substance. Here's the box. Okay. Let's try to do this. I got it in my hands. Why are there so much clothes? Look at that. Oh. I can't find the camera. Oh, there it is. I found another one. Okay. Oh, geez. Let's keep that aside and let's look. Okay, so I got another note. Ooh, feels like this is puffs. This is very light, guys. It says, I am full. Let's take a picture. Let's go there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys in a good angle to see you guys, to see what I'm doing. Okay guys, here it is. Here it is. I'm gonna try to find it. See if you find anything. I feel something. Oh, something fell. Okay, guys. I forgot you guys were still rolling, so here it is. There's the note behind it. You are almost there. I am dirty. Let's go and rise. Rinse. Okay, guys. I don't know what's happening here. Get in the shower. Because, like, where other can you rinse? So, yeah. Okay. Another note. Let's read it. Okay, so when we open them, it says, "Nice, you are free. Go back." These are all for nothing. Let's just go back to playing with slime. Come on. Okay, guys, I finally have a good time. I just got out the cotton candy one, and it's pretty sticky. I don't know why, but it's really sticky. Wait. Do you guys see that? Sorry guys for the background, that's my brother playing Fortnite with his friends. Oh jeez. This is really, like, oh no, it's really weird. I can't even get it out. Look how sticky. Okay. I can't even read. Oh, I see it. It says,
What?
"Ha! Tricked you. Go to the place where you can sleep. I am very, what did it say? I am very tired." Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Well, hold on. I gotta clean up this line. Okay, guys. I'll be right back once I clean this all up. This is a mess. This is on my couch. I'll be right back. Okay, it said where to go when you're sleeping, and it said he is sleeping, or she. I don't know who it is. So yeah, I'm tired. What? Here's another note, guys. I found it. Let's open the note. It says himself to me. It says, "Oh no, you have found my weakness." So guys, hopefully that is the end of it. If it isn't, I'll be sad. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and comment down below if you want me to actually do a slime challenge. So yeah, comment down below. If that person never sends me any more notes, that'll be awesome. I also loved searching for it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. And until next time, bye! Guys, I can finally go back to playing with my slime. Okay, so this one is called Blue Cotton Candy. And yeah, here it is. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. There's a note in it. my gosh, guys.